Hi, this is Brian. Welcome to the very first Optimize Plus One. Abraham Maslow studied the greatest people of his generation, people like Eleanor Roosevelt and Albert Einstein. He taught us about the importance of actualizing our potential. In fact, he said that, quote, what one can be, one must be. This need to self-actualize is, at a certain stage of development, as important as our need to breathe. It's kind of like soul oxygen. So, part one of this plus one is a question for you. What must you be? Think about that for a moment. What must you be? Part two, Maslow also told us that in any given moment, we have a choice. We can step forward into growth, or we can step back into safety. Forward into growth, back into safety. Forward into growth, or back into safety. I like to think of this as plus one or minus one. Moment to moment to moment, we have a choice. Plus one or minus one, plus one or minus one, plus one or minus one. Step forward or go backward. Step forward or go backward. Now, how we feel at the end of the day is largely determined by those micro moments of decision. You let enough of those minus one moments trickle into your life, and you're going to want to crack open a bottle of something or do whatever you do when you're off. Alternatively, sprinkle a ton of plus ones into your day, and you're feeling radiantly alive and in love with life. Oh, and as we discussed in the last one, aggregate and compound those micro moments into days and weeks and months and years. That's your destiny. So let's choose wisely. Plus one, plus one, plus one. P.S. Maslow also said, and I quote, that if you deliberately plan on being less than you are capable of being, then I warn you, he says, that you'll be unhappy for the rest of your life. End quote. Yikes. Remember, plus one, plus one, plus one.